Hello guys, welcome to G's Art Classes. Today we're going to abstract painting, very basic abstract painting by using organic and geometric shapes, right? So how I'm going to start is that I don't have a ruler at home, so I'm going to use any kinds of like books or catalog to make that geometrical shapes. You're basically randomly making the lines. You can use masking tape as well, then you can mask some parts. I'm not going to use masking tape today because a lot of you guys probably don't have it at home, so I don't want to confuse you guys by using masking tape, right? So basically I don't have any orders. I'm just making lines over the canvas or Bristol paper. I'm using Bristol paper currently right now. You can basically just randomly putting geometrical shape. There's a little bit of logic that I'm using, right? So every shapes has different sizes and different sort of shapes to it, but most importantly, having different sizes of the shapes are very important for any type of paintings, right? So that we call like a good composition or compositional like strategy, right? So I'll say I might stop over here for the geometrical shape for now. And now I have these kind of tapes or cups, right? Everybody has a cups in the house. What I do, I'm gonna use my coffee cup and then sort of like paint over here, right? It's okay if the shape isn't that perfect, right? And for me to do organic shape is, which means like it has curves and not straight, right? So what you can do, you can also randomly make the shape over it. A lot of stuff, like let's say I'm making that line. Maybe I can do this. And I can do that, right? And then that. Then I'll put over here. So you see how I'm breaking down the edges of the painting as well. So I'm not only caring about the middle of the painting, I'm also thinking about the edges of the painting. Okay, so now I'll say so I'll say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it's about, I'll say, 40 shapes. Yeah. Like 35 to 40 shapes. So you're going to have 35 to 40 shapes. We're continuing this until next week. So you will have to fill out the whole part of the painting. So this is only start today. So this is very short lesson, but the next video I'm going to show you how I color them by by using time lapse. I'm going to separate the videos for the YouTube that I'm going to link to the class, but the next week I'm going to connect them both together. So hopefully you guys can understand the process of it and then like be able to finish. So let's say we start this today Some of you guys couldn't finish the color chart. You can start today this one and then finish by next week. If someone is like finishing the color chart by this week, you guys can start this maybe at the end of the class and then finish it by like beginning of in 2 weeks, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to color them in faster version, and then hopefully you guys enjoy the class. Thank you so much. So I wanted to explain a little bit about the colors. So when you start this project, let's say I picked, violet color and ultramarine and maybe like magenta color, and I'll say like black, right? If you are going to use some colors like this, please be mindful of using lighter color to start, because the colors that put over the former colors, the former color can actually seep through the next layers. So try to use lighter color first and then go over to the darker tone, okay?